birthday to Aunt Natalie?
Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie. Yay!
Good job. Can you say I love you?
Want some cake?
You want some cake? Here. Here's some
Aunt
cake.
Natalie wants some cake.
Oh, Aunt Natalie wants some cake?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send some to her, okay? You want some? Here.
No.
Oh, you don't want it? It's chocolate.
Her
Here you go.
peanut butter cups.
Oh, here, peanut butter cups. There you go. How was it?
I don't like that wrapper.
You don't like that wrapper? You're funny. Say, I love you.